Good morning to all. Today we are learning Social Science Standard 6, chapter number 11, Landforms Exercise. First question is answer the following questions. First, what is meant by landform? So answer is landform means various forms of the land. The land area which has different heights, has a special shape, and has a slopy terrain is called landform. Second question is what is meant by a mountain? Which are its main types? The answer is a mountain is that land area which has about 900 meters or more height above sea level. Its terrain is mostly understanding and it has narrow summits. On the basis of the process of formations, there are four types of mountains. First, fold mountain. Second, block mountain. Third, volcanic mountain. And four, resident mountain. Third question is differentiate between mountain and plateau. Answer is a mountain has that land area which has about 900 meters or more height above sea level with gentle or abrupt slope. A plateau is land area generally with height higher than 180 meter but lower than 900 meter above the sea level and has appropriately wide, flat and at its top. Second question is filling the blanks, selecting the correct option. First, Satpura of India is blank type of mountain. Answer is block mountain. Second, piece of land surrounded by mountain ranges from all four sides is called intermountain. A answer. Third, flat piece of land having average height approximately up to 180 meters height from sea level is called plain. 4. Huang Ho Plains is a dispositional type of plains. Recognize me. First, I am surrounded by the land from three sides. Answer is Gulf. My hand extended out into sea up to certain extents. Cop. I am known as an island. Island is surrounded by water. All side. I connect two water areas. Strength. 5. I have sea on my three sides and land on one side. Peninsular.